principal, and he is going to be making with us some baked street corn casserole. Like always, we have all of our ingredients out and ready to go. We've washed our hands and we have our gloves on. So we are going to get started. So to start, we have 32 ounces of thawed and drained corn that are going to go in this bowl. Mr. O'Connell does a lot of cooking at home. Next, we have 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Perfect. 1 small can of green chilies. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 1½ teaspoons of chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash Southwest seasoning. 1 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. 5 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Woo!
I still do.
And 1 tablespoon of chives. Perfect. He is going to mix all of this good stuff together here. While he's mixing, you can always make sure to get your oven preheated to 350. Get your pan sprayed and ready to go. That looks delicious. It smells so good in here because of the green chilies.
I can't smell anything. You got this mash on.
And then he's going to pour that into our prepared baking dish. Perfect. He's spreading it out evenly. And then he is going to sprinkle the top with some cheddar cheese. Perfect. And this, as you see it, is our prepared casserole. Last thing you're going to do is we're going to cover it with some tin foil. We're going to pop it in the oven until the corn is cooked thoroughly.